Hello everyone, I am Carson. In the previous videos, we explained in detail the capacity and size selection of industrial and commercial energy storage, introduced the working principles of battery cells and accessories, as well as our professional operation and maintenance management cloud platform functions. These professional videos have received a lot of praise from fans, and some friends have left us messages. Many customers are interested in industrial and commercial energy storage after watching our videos, but they are not sure what kind of solution they need for their scale. First, size and capacity. Industrial energy storage systems are usually large because they need to support heavy machinery, continuous manufacturing processes, and large facilities. So the system must be able to store and release large amounts of energy. In contrast, commercial energy storage is usually smaller. It is suitable for office buildings, data centers, and small and medium-sized enterprises. These systems are designed more for peak shaving, demand charge management, and backup power rather than heavy-duty use in industrial environments. And then in terms of operational requirements, industrial energy storage systems typically operate under more demanding conditions, with higher discharge rates, deeper cycles, and harsher environmental conditions. Commercial storage systems do not typically experience extreme operating conditions and are typically focused on cost savings through energy management rather than the intensive energy support required in industrial environments. So don't worry about these. We can help you customize a solution that suits you according to your actual needs. Peak shaving and valley filling. Taking advantage of the difference between peak and valley electricity prices, charging in valley periods and discharging in peak periods can reduce the electricity costs of enterprises. Balancing demand charges. Energy storage systems can shave peaks and valley fill, eliminate peak loads, smooth the electricity curve, and reduce demand charges. Demand side response. After installing an energy storage system, if the power grid issues a demand response, customers do not have to limit power or pay high electricity charges during that period. Instead, they may participate in demand response transactions through the energy storage system and obtain additional compensation. The above 3 points are the most basic benefits. There is another point that is overlooked by many people, but it is the most professional. Dynamic capacity expansion. The user's transformer capacity is fixed. Generally, when the user needs the transformer to operate at overload during a certain period, the transformer needs to be expanded. After installing a matching energy storage system, the transformer load can be reduced during that period through energy storage discharge, thereby reducing the cost of transformer capacity expansion and transformation. Some fans have also asked us questions. Does installing an energy storage system conflict with our existing power system? First of all, an energy storage system is a type of energy storage equipment for a power system. It can balance loads, improve power supply reliability, and improve system stability in the power system. Therefore, there is no conflict between the two. On the contrary, the energy storage system can provide more flexibility and reliability for your existing power system. Secondly, the energy storage system can effectively reduce the transformer load during peak power consumption periods and has no conflict with the power system. The energy storage system supports grid-connected and off-grid operation, effectively regulates power resources, and well balances the difference in power consumption during the day and night and in different seasons, adjusts surplus and shortage, and ensures the safety of the power grid. It is an important prerequisite for the application of renewable resources and an effective means to achieve intelligent management of the power grid. Some fans are asking about the safety performance of our energy storage system. When we formulate solutions for customers in the early stage, we carefully consider user safety from all aspects, including electrical principles, structural design, thermal management, fire suppression, operation and maintenance management mode, functional safety, etc. In the last video, we showed you our operation and maintenance management model, as well as the professional and powerful cloud platform functions. At the same time, in terms of hardware, we have also achieved the ultimate safety performance. For example, the energy storage system behind me, as you can see, is equipped with the most advanced liquid cooling system, fire alarm, smart LCD display, lightning protection device, and window position of the system is specially customized with the highest protection level on the market. I have already explained the functions of these accessories in detail. You can click on this video to view the specific content. Some fans have asked us how to get started and install. First of all, our professional team of engineers will customize the most suitable solution for you based on your power environment, lighting conditions, power requirements, etc. During the later delivery, we can send the entire system as a whole package so that when you receive the goods, you only need to make simple on-site connections to put it into use. In addition, we can provide professionals to go to the site to install it for you. In short, from the initial plan formulation to product production and even later operation management, our professional team of engineers will keep in close contact with you to assist you in use and maintenance. Today, our Q&A session ends here. If you have any questions about the industrial and commercial energy storage system, you can leave us a message and we will provide you with the most professional knowledge answers. Welcome to contact us and explore the energy storage system together.